All right, good evening, guys. Good afternoon, good morning. It all depends on when you're coming across to this YouTube channel. Okay, we are BRAINYBITE tutorial. Okay, so what we do here is that we teach you guys the tips and tricks on how to pass JAMB, post UTME, and as well we help you guys gain admission. Okay, so what you do if you're a JAMB candidate, we advise you subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on the bell notification so that when I drop any amazing content just like the one you are watching right now, YouTube will notify you and you'll be the first to check it out. All right, so I promise all my subscribers that any questions I receive from my candidate, I will definitely come back to answer it. So, and my candidate has asked me the list of schools that doesn't write post UTME. So I have done for state university, I have done for federal universities, and I have done some parts of private universities. So this is also a continuation of the last video I did for private university. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, because I don't want to waste much of our time. So if you look at our topic, you find out that the list of the Nigerian private university that doesn't write post UTME examination. That's what I'm talking about. So you have a first one on our list as Crawford University. This university is located at Ogun State. That's where you find this university. The next one is Crescent University, also at Ogun State. All right. The next one is Elizade University. Is at Ondo. Currently now, this school has started selling their form. Elizade University. They have started selling their post UTME or screening form. They have started. Okay. So this is the next one on our list, which is the fourth one on our list, is Evangel University. Evangel University. The fifth one on our list is Fountain University. Fountain University, that's the fifth one on our list. The next one on our list, which is the sixth one, is Godfrey Okoye University. This Godfrey Okoye currently now have started selling their post UTME or screening form. The next one on our list is Gregory University, Uturu, Abia State. That's where this school is located at, Abia State. Okay, so that's the seventh one on our list. And the last one on our list is Nigerian University, Okada. So they have started selling their form. This Nigerian has started selling their form currently now. All right, so that's exactly how it is. Okay, that's exactly how it is. So these are the schools, continuation of where we start. This is not where this video ends, because we have a lot of private universities in Nigeria, and I don't want to make our video to be very lengthy because of people like me that doesn't like to watch a very long video. So that's the reason why I made it so. Okay, so please, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, and you turn on the bell notification so that whenever I drop any amazing video and any amazing content just like the one you watch very now, YouTube will notify you. And I want to remind you that we'll have a WhatsApp community. Okay, we have a WhatsApp community for our 2024 UTME registered candidates. Okay, so you can become one of us. All you just need is to tell me on the comment section that you want to join our WhatsApp community. All right, when you tell me on the comment section that you want to join our WhatsApp community, I'll be right there to give you my number, and you message me on WhatsApp, and at the end of the day, I will add you to our community. All right, so if you meet our requirements, I'll add you to our community, and there will help you. In our community, we have a very lot to benefit from our community. Okay, so we have a very lot of benefit from our community. So that is where I'll be ending this video today. Thank you guys, thank you all, thank you, and until I see you guys in my next video again, don't forget I do love and cherish you. Please, you can share with your friends out there looking for this kind of content. You can share with them. Okay, I love you guys. Keep winning.